Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge. Guys, we got the home of rig ready Rams, rig ready approved and rig ready used. We got right here 2026 Ram 2500 Express rig ready Ram, guys. I built this one up more so just to help out the budget friendly buyers that want a lower payment on a diesel while looking good while still getting the work done. So of course this thing is powered by the 6.7 HO 8-speed trans front level kit on this one, guys, so it brings it up nice and tight. 35-inch tires with some fuels. We got the oversized fender flares painted to match. We got the Traeger Industry kickback flaps. I put boards on this one. I tinted out the windows and put a brow so it looks good. But guys, remember, this is a budget-friendly truck. So it comes with the 12-inch parking sensors, exhaust brake and trailer brake control, and that's really about it. There's keyless entry, power windows and locks, full bench seat, manual doors and all that, or door seats. But it still does give you, full bench seat, tons of storage, the 6 speakers too, fifth wheel prep and a rear slider window. Coming on the rear, put a black tip on it too, just to black it all out. So again, fifth wheel ready, so you can pull anything, but even with the Class 5 hitch. Looks pretty good, guys. And like looking at it, you can't tell it's not a Laramie, right? Like you can't tell. That's what I like about this truck. So even if like you pull up to the boys and they're tripping you, you're gonna laugh at them. I saved 40 grand, guys. No brainer. It still has adaptive cruise. It still has CarPlay. It still has Bluetooth. It still has a backup camera. And automatic headlights. And power options. Can't go wrong, guys. For more information on this truck, guys, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.